Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is João. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can create an entry in Tkinter, in Python. So entry is this box that you can see it, okay? A box that we can enter any text, any number, any information from the widget, okay? From the application. So we are going to learn how we can create this. So this is the syntax to create an entry in Tkinter, okay? So it use the class entry, then here we give the options, okay, that we need, that we require. So in this video we are going to operate operation like, okay, how to create the entry, how to show the entry in the window, okay, we can show this way, okay, and how to set the properties of entries. Sorry, it's supposed to be entry, not button, my mistake. And how to get, okay, the any entry using the entry class, okay. So how we can get information that we're going to put here, okay, so that we can manipulate this information. We are going to learn that, and how to disable any entry in Tkinter. Also we are going to learn all those stuff in this same video, okay. So as always, let's go to our test editor, which is this guy, okay. So this was the previous video that we had, okay, which talk about bottom. So but now we are going to talk about entry in Tkinter, okay. So for that is like, okay, we are going to reuse these guys itself, okay. Let's keep here, we don't need to delete them, but first let's create our entry so that we can how can I say, so that we can use all of them together, okay. So how we can do, okay? If I run this guy, okay, let me run, boom, okay, here I can see that we have a button and we have a label, okay. So the only thing that we're going to do is let's decrease the font of this, that is too big, okay. Let's say at least no, we don't need these guys, you guys can go out, save. If I run, okay, make it normal button, done. And okay, this can keep, okay. So let's hit down, okay, after the label, boom, this label, okay, let's say for example, okay, and say something, say, oh no, write something, write something, okay. So we are telling the user to write something, okay, dot, give a little space, we are telling the user to write something, okay. So let's create another label, okay. So this label will show the information that the user will write, okay. And so this label we can say something like underscore info. I can just copy this guy and come here, boom, okay. So this info, it can be down, okay, yeah, it can be down, yeah, it can be if row 1, row 2, do you come down, okay, you come down. If I save this and if I boom, okay, you come down, okay, this info will be shown here, okay. Let's say here, this is info, this is info, okay, this is info. So now let's create entry, okay. So in order to create entry, let's create one variable first, okay. I can call it, for example, info, okay, info. So this info will be equal, so to create entry in Tkinter we use the class entry, okay, like this, entry, open and close. So here inside we have to give the information. So for example, let's put it on window. So entry, it has few attributes that we can change, okay. So after that we can define the width of entry, okay. For the width equal, for example, 10, okay. Save. So after that we can call this guy, okay, this info dot, let's use grid also, and you come back, let's use this guy, you come here, come, I press. So since that guy is there, so come on row 0, stay on the column 1, save. If I run this guy, so it's supposed to be here, so just let me move this, let's move this guy on column 2, okay, save. If I run this, boom, now we have it, our entry, where we can enter anything, as you can see, and we have our bottom here, okay. So let's remove those stuffs here, let's say pass, boom. So this is how we can create an entry in Tkinter, okay. but I didn't like that entry because it's too small. So let's increase its width, okay, at least 20. Save, and if I run, boom, okay, it's a little big now. If I click it, nothing is happening, nothing is happening. So the next thing, which is really important, is how to get the information from entry. Okay, so in order to get any info from entry, you have to use something like that. Okay, so this is the end, that was the entry. Okay, so for example, if I come inside of this class to get the info from the entry, I can see something like that. Okay, information, okay, this information will be equal the name of the entry. What's the name of our entry? The name of our entry is info. I'll get that info, I'll put here, so I can put dot get. Okay, we use the function get to get the information which is entered inside the entry button. Okay, so I do like this, save. Okay, then if I come here, I can just print that information that I'm going to get. Okay, print what? Information. Okay, I'm going to print that information. Save. If I run this, okay, let me run this, boom. Okay, for example, if I click here, nothing is happening. Okay, but it's supposed to print. Nothing happened because I didn't give any information inside of my entry. But for example, if I give something like that, okay, he said write something. Okay, like hello, I am João. Okay, if I click it, boom, it got the information inside the entry, then it print hello. Okay, it print that information here. Okay, let me see. If I click again, it just keep clicking hello because I'm clicking. Okay, for example, if I say only, boom, like hello, I am, now it's printing hello, I am. Okay, this way is getting the information and it's printing. But we want this information to be shown here. Okay, not printing here. Okay, so in order for that, we can do what we did in the last video. Okay, which is the same thing. Okay, we can do just something like that. Okay, we can call the name of this label inf. Okay, let's call our label inf. So label inf, okay, dot configure this way. Okay, and open and close. What we want to change in the info, we want to change this guy. Okay, we can say test equal, okay, test can be equal, so equal what? Equal information. We can put equal information. I save, and if I save this, if I run this, okay, let me see. So this is info. Okay, so if I write something, hello, I am João. Okay, if I click this, boom, hello, I am João. So this way is changing dynamic. Okay, if I remove João, if I just click like this, boom, I am, hello, I am, something like that. So whatever we write here and we click it, so our function will get the info, then we will put it here inside of this info. Okay, so now we don't need this anymore, so we can just, for example, let me see, remove this guy, keep it empty, save. If I run, if I put some information here, I click, boom, no, it's giving the information. Okay, let me see, I am João from Angola. Okay, if I click here, boom, I am João from Angola. So this is how we can create entry in Python Tkinter, and how you can get the information inside the entry in Python Tkinter. So the last operation that we need to perform is how we can disable our entry. Okay, so that nothing can be given. So to disable our entry, we can do something like that. Okay, for example, I can come here. Okay, so for example, we want, after I get my information, I want the entry to be disabled. Okay, so that for that I can do something like that. Okay, I just can come call my entry here. Okay, info, I can do like this. Okay, info dot configure this way, open. Okay, I can just say state, sorry, yeah, state this way. Okay, state equal, I do like this, then I just give disable this way. Okay, if I save and if I run this code, okay, let's see, where is it? Oh, is it? If I say hi, I am João from Angola. I am João from Angola. If I click this, boom, okay, you print this, I am João from Angola. Now our label is disabled. I'm not able anymore to put anything there. Even if I click here, okay, nothing's going to happen, because after you get the information, you will set the information here, then it will disable the information, okay? And I can do also directly from here, okay? I just can just, for example, if I copy this guy here, copy, where is my entry, I can come here after width, comma, I place it, save, interfere run, boom. As we can say, my entry is disabled. I'm not able to put any information there. Even if I click, nothing's gonna happen because not getting any info there, okay? So guys, this is how you can create an entry and how you can get the information inside of entry in Python Tkinter, okay? So my name is João. If you like the video, give a like into the video, subscribe to the channel, and for more things that is going to come, okay? Like for example, a lot of projects that will come after these basics of Python Tkinter, okay? See you in the next video. Bye.